this video, I want to show you how you can add coupon codes on your Temu. Now, to get a coupon code, if you don't already have one, there's many ways that you can do this. Some of them is just having the app, and sometimes in there you'll get notifications of coupon codes. If you're a new user, most likely you'll get some coupon codes, or if you have signed up for their newsletter, sometimes they put coupon codes in there, or just using their app and playing the games, you can get coupon codes. Now, to apply these coupon codes, what you want to do is you want to fill up your cart with anything you want to buy. Go here and click on checkout. Once you're in here, on the right hand side, and this will also work on your phone if you're using the app, you should see a place where it says enter coupon code. So simply type in the code here, press apply, and it should be applied. Now that is basically how that works, guys. There's not really much more to it, so I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.